G'day guys, Crypto Trader Vader here, and I wanted to do a very short video on the 1-2-3 bottom formation, which is a technical indicator that I frequently use in my trading strategy. We're seeing a little bit of a 1-2-3 bottom forming in Bitcoin US dollar at the moment, and this is by no means a guarantee, of course. We're dealing with technical indicators, so it means that we're dealing with probability and not certainty. So frequently these 1-2-3 bottom formations will in fact prove the opposite, and obviously time will tell whether this one will prove that way. Do not trade on this particular indicator at the moment, but this is just a video to give you guys an understanding of the 1-2-3 bottom and why I use it and what I look for. So what we have with a 1-2-3 bottom formation is we're looking for a bear market like this, like Bitcoin is trending right now. So it's often in a downward direction like this, and what we're looking for is a new low. Just delete that big line there. What we're looking for is a new low, and when that low gets hit, we name that the number 1. The subsequent high, as the price starts to climb up, we call the 2, and then as the price starts to head in a downward direction, but it fails to break down to the same level as this one. You can see this line here is around about 9,100 or so. It fails to get down to this level. In fact, it starts to turn around at higher than that level. That's a good indicator that it's a 3, that we name it the 3. Now you might be thinking, well, at what point do I enter the trade? Well, we don't actually enter the trade at the 3 point yet. What we're waiting for is we're waiting for the price to creep up higher, and it can take some time to get up there. But what we're waiting for is essentially the price to break this level of the 2. You see this level here where the orange line is? We're waiting for the price to break through the same level as this 2. And if the price does that, it's a good position for us to possibly enter our first percentage of our position. With my personal trading style, I don't like to dump all of my position on at once. I prefer to buy a small amount and then add to my position if that's proven correct. What we sometimes find with the 1-2-3 bottom formation is that the price will creep up, it'll break this point of the 2, but then it'll actually experience a bit of a pullback back to on or almost on this 2 level, where it will gain some support and then keep rising up. So there's 2 possible entries with a 1-2-3 bottom formation that I use. The first is right around this point where I've placed this green arrow, where it first breaks the 2 mark. The second entry is where it's broken that 2 mark and has a pullback to this level, and usually that's slightly higher, so you're not getting as good a price. However, you're taking a little bit less risk, of course. And then what I want to do is I want to add to my position if I'm proven correct. And if the price hits, let's say the price goes like this, it has a pullback, maybe I enter at this point, maybe I enter at the pullback. I'll wait until the price continues in an upward direction, proves me correct even more, and then add to my position when it breaks above this previous high line. So those would be the 2 entries in a 1-2-3 bottom formation, or I would enter here where it first breaks out. Well, that's the 1-2-3 bottom formation. If you guys like these sort of videos, the shorter style ones, hit a thumbs up on it, leave a comment and let me know. And let me know if there's any technical indicators that you'd like me to go over in a video similar to this. Okay, peace.